In this example video, we're going to look at review exercise 10.6, and we're going to look at what happens when we have a retirement obligation for an asset that we have acquired. So it tells us that on the first that our company purchased equipment for $1 million that was used in various toxic chemical processes. And they said the asset has a useful life of 20 years. They also estimate that it's going to cost about $100,000 to remove the asset and restore the site to suitable use. And they tell us that based on Marshall's 10% discount rate, the present value of these future restoration costs at the time the equipment is purchased is $14,864. And they want us to record the acquisition of this asset. So this is what we call an asset retirement obligation. We have an obligation at the end of the asset's useful life when we retire it being used to do something, in this case, to restore the site to suitable use. So we have to do that journal entry. So our equipment goes on for the sum of that $1 million that has the actual price and the present value of those future asset retirement obligation that we have. So in total, we're going to record that equipment at $1,014,864. We are only spending $1 million right now to acquire that asset because the asset has a useful life of 20 years, so we don't have to pay out that future $100,000 for 20 years. But we do have what we call an asset retirement obligation, and that is for that 14,864. This value will increase over the life of the asset. So by the end of 20 years, our liability on our books will be at the $100,000 value that we estimate it's going to cost to restore the land to its former use.